on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka the AUDIOZONE here, AUDIOZONE with another day, another video, man. Always want to thank y'all. Sorry for not being out there as much as possible. You guys see I got rid of my beard. Dealing with a lot of things with the house, man. My household has been under attack for a minute, but bro, glory be to God, everything back. Wifey's home, everything back to the kind of normal, but you know, we're doing our thing. Got the Viper, which I miss driving. Got a working on. Big build, great thing. These are special wheels, y'all. Y'all see that? AUDIOZONE edition wheels, man. But today, he actually had this car done somewhere else, and you can see what the failure was. He had a wide body kit installed in his car. It did not last. He had a lot of paint issues on his car, like a lot of damages in the car. We're responsible for just putting the wide body on today. We've had to paint it, get this installed, but we're definitely gonna walk you through the car. It has a lot of little knickknacks, but it just needs to get done and taken care of for this customer. So car parts out the paint and body, get these cars painted, get them situated so they can bring it back and we can get this thing installed for this young man, get this car going for him as soon as possible and get him together. He's a TCU football player. It could be a pleasure and honor to serve him, but we're gonna get rolling, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is what go up, move some of his thing, but he does have some issues in here with the clear coat being missing from the previous install. Hopefully the wide body covers. He had some dents and stuff. Wasn't what I was told to do. I was just told to install the wide body kit, but Josh is in the process of clearing it up and getting it ready for install. As you can tell, we're cleaning it up. We're getting it situated. We got some lines there we do have to remove. We're gonna work on that now.
They're flush.
Huh?
Flush. I mean, we can get them.
It looked like that's literally some stuff that I don't even know what's going on with that.
If we go any further, we're taking the quarter on those. I can be wrong though too. I'm definitely been known to be wrong.
Well, you Josh, just hit it up and keep on peeling in there till we can get it done. We want to clear it up really good. The reason we have to clear it is so that the promotion that we do between our adhesive and the body and the frame and the plastics and everything that goes on the car stays permanent. So prepping is very important. It's like window tint. You got to be a very good prep. So right now we're in the process of prepping and any imperfection from the previous install to get this done to a perfection on y'all. So we're gonna keep on working on this one. I'm just giving y'all an update. Stay tuned if we keep on getting the bad boy prepped and ready for install. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so going on with the baby girl, we got the front spoiler, flare already installed. Like I said, he does have some dents and stuff. It's not gonna make me get it, but we did get it really damn close, but with the dent there, but it's actually perfect. Everything else just in the process of getting the back one. I want to introduce you to Jose, man, Mr. Machete. We'll talk about that in another video. I'll probably put a meme on him right there because there's a long story with this guy, man. But he's actually more famous than most YouTubers are, man. He's, we'll leave it alone, man. You know what I'm saying? What does this mean? What is this? What is this?
Peace.
That's your peace sign? Yeah, peace. We'll talk about that. But right now we're getting this one installed here for Mr. I don't want to put his name out there, but he is a football player for TXU. He's actually got drafted last year, but because of some complications, they got him up for this year. He's going to the NFL.
TXU? Like,
no, it's not TXU, man. It's TCU. I did say TXU, but it's TCU, Texas Christian University. So forgive the old man, man. It's TCU. Man, shout out to him, man. He's doing his thing. In fact, you can see all the football gear back here in the back, man. But this is him, man. He's a great dude, man. Real humble dude too. This dude is real humble, man. And we had the chance to work on his car because it's a pleasure. But let's get this moving here. Stay tuned. All right, crew. So now we're coming to the finale. You can see all the wide bodies installed. The tape is holding it down so the adhesion properties work and stick it down. We got some magic glue that will stick that on permanently, but everything there is going on perfect. We see right now Josh is working on the little flares in the back to finish up this build here right now and get this one going. As you can tell, the rest of this car is completely getting done. We're gonna miss this piece right here we're doing now. As far as the wide body goes, she is done. I also installed it to be able to give the light show, performance pages, and all the other things. Working on cleaning up these areas to install some Flow Series lights for his what you call that? That's the shaker grill, the shaker hood scoop. And we're also going to be doing the front grill area with some Flow Series. They already got it wired in, getting it situated and getting it cleaned up for the delivery for the young man who owns this vehicle from TCU. It's been definitely a pleasure to help him and work on this build for him. But the guys are doing their thing, man. So I'm just giving you an update as we go through what's going on as we situated it and going for the wide body. At this point in time, y'all, this car is a hood light A scoop light done. Upper grill light done. They both flow in the same way, as you can tell. All that is perfect to go. Wide body kit installed. Everything is perfect. Spacer's done. Taser's done. This guy will be happy when he gets his vehicle, man. This is not gonna come off process here in the shop, but he's ready to go, y'all. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for them to come pick up the car, close up this video, get you guys seeing another happy customer here at AUDIOZONE, man. Check us out, 930 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas. Phone number 972-513-0111. You could call or text us at any time. We're definitely here to reply to y'all and give y'all the best service possible. Check us out for all your lighting, wide body kits, lift kits, drive kits, performance. Check us out here at the shop, man. So stay tuned if we get this reveal for the customer and get this car delivered. All right, crew, so we're here getting ready for delivery with the young man Jamal, right? Like how you say it? Jamal is over here, man. He's the one that owns the purple. As you can tell, he's purple. Why you got so much purple? Show them what this is right here. TCU. So you play for TCU. How long you been playing, man?
I've been playing football since I was 4, and then I've been playing TCU. It's going to my senior year, so 4 years at TCU.
4 years at TCU, and you're going to the NFL?
Yeah, next year.
Man, that's a beautiful thing, man. Congratulations. A lot of work.
Yeah.
A lot of grinding. A lot of no partying.
Yeah.
A lot of no hanging out.
Nah.
A lot of no pleasures. But focus on the goal.
Yeah, focus.
To do what you have to do.
Yes, sir.
How you feeling right now knowing that you're going to the NFL, man?
I mean, I'm feeling good, you know, but I'm just worried about, you know, we got a long season ahead, you know, getting better and stuff each week.
Yeah, I mean, the practice makes the perfect, man.
Yeah.
But you know, without the practice, there's no perfection, and you're perfect in your game. But he's staying focused, and that's the most important thing. I'm proud of him, man. This is like the maybe 7th guy we have from the NFL that comes to the shop to get stuff done, and we're proud of that, man. Like a pleasure, man. But let's go show you your baby. So I got her set up right now, where she is. In fact, man, I kind of want to blindfold you, man. But let's just do it a little bit different. We're gonna come here. I'm gonna open the bay up and show you your baby. So I got the taser rolling on it right now, so you see all the light show going on, all that kind of stuff. Josh came in an extra day. Today is Labor Day, and we're here trying to get this car delivered to my young man. But this is what your baby's looking like. I got a couple little things set up. I'll show you how to use it all. You see the taser running. I put the instruction manual for the taser there because you have a lot you have to learn. You got line lock, you got performance pages, all the things you can set up with the taser itself. I got the light show going on for you. You can see your front. So I got the top one and the bottom one coming across, giving you all the thing. I'll give you the remote control for that in a second. I got your taser showing you all your light shows. This is your wide body kit. You got some of the parts that you see here on the floor. This is part of the cutting that we have to do to be able to allow your wheel to have the travel on it, right? Because you can be safe and not have to worry about it going on, having any issue. She's all good to go. I don't know, what word do you want to tell anybody right now?
Amazing, especially to see where I've been through before. You know, I went to someone else that didn't know how to put the wide body kit on. It fell off like 3 days after I got it. So
now, this ain't falling off.
Yeah, so it's amazing to get it done the right way.
So the guy who recommended you, he's another guy. I think he was in college football. I don't know if he's still in it or not.
Yeah.
But I know that he actually owns. Which car was his? He owns the one we did a purple wrap on. I think is the guy that that we did a purple wrap. This is your build, man. So I got most of it set up. We're about to end this video. What do you want to tell everybody right now on YouTube about what you got going on?
Everybody come to him, get the work done the right way.
Man, we appreciate that so much, man. We always thank you guys for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.